Hi, phonetics. What is phonetics? It's nothing but production of speech sounds. Production of speech sounds. How many speech sounds are there in English? 44. What do actually the phonetic sounds or the speech sounds do in English? They help in recognizing both familiar and unfamiliar words. We will become better understanding people of speakers of English. Not only that, these speech sounds, they develop a kind of an autonomy in words and recognizing the sounds of various alphabets. Watch continuously more of it in a longer video. Watch that video. Thank you.